keep an eye on that 1256. State Patrol has him. He's coming right towards your car on the right-hand shoulder northbound, just over Minnetonka, whoever's southbound. We're off on Jordan. $1619 to crash. Cedar Lake and Jordan Avenue. Dispatch covers the crash. Cedar and Jordan. 12-6.
I got you covered. No, sir. I just was doing.
Anybody got an update?
He's in a wheelchair.
Okay, yeah, it looks like
I'm missing a leg.
missing a leg. Okay.
My back is hurting.
All right, back is hurting. All right. Okay, where's it hurt? Where's it hurt,
My
man?
lower back.
Lower back hurts. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Does that hurt? What does that hurt
Yes,
like?
sir.
Okay, how would it feel more? How would it feel better? On your back, sitting on your back?
I'm cold.
You're cold. Okay.
Yes, sir. Please put me in a police car. I'm freezing.
Yeah. I don't want to hurt. Roll over on your butt. Right. Can we roll you over on your butt?
It hurts.
That way we can get you in the car. Okay. There. All right. Anything else hurt?
My lower back and my leg.
Your lower back and your leg. Okay. We got to get it started yet or not? Just breathe. Just breathe. Okay.
There's someone down there. Do they know that? There's another car down here he crashed into. I can't get down there.
Where did it go through?
It went through the fence.
Oh, here's the fence.
Coordinate number 2. Coordinate the perimeter, rather.
Everyone is supposed to have a car down in the field.
Driver? Yeah.
169.
All right, I can't. Where's the car?
Right
Right there.
there.
Here, if you push this out, I'm gonna crawl down there and make contact.
Jim, is that area now? You have a bike to get more fast?
Are you okay, ma'am?
You can't see it. It's underneath a tree. We're just about 300 yards south of Lake Road, northbound.
Ma'am, I'm with the police department. Are you okay? No? Okay.
Dispatch to 6013. 6013. K9 is the road. You want to check on state police?
Cancel the K9, driver in custody. Start medic, south 169, north Cedar Lake.